Hello young innovators. Welcome to yet another video of ATL Lab Equipment video series. In this video, we are diving into one of the most versatile ICs in electronics, the Timer IC LM555. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this little chip has likely been a part of your projects. The LM555 is an integrated circuit used for generating accurate time delays and oscillation. You can even think of it like a mini stopwatch for electronics. Let's quickly go over the pin configuration. To identify pin 1 on the LM555 timer IC, start by locating the notch or dot on the IC package. The notch is typically a small indentation on one end of the IC. Hold the IC so that the notch is at the top. In this orientation, pin 1 will be the first pin on the left corner directly to the left of the notch. The pins are then numbered sequentially in a counterclockwise direction A. LM555 has 8 pins. The ground, pin 1, connects to the negative terminal of the circuit, while the VCC, pin 8, connects to the positive terminal, providing the necessary power. The trigger, pin 2, activates the timer, and the output, pin 3, delivers the resulting signal or pulse. The reset, pin 4, can stop the timer's operation when needed, while the control voltage, pin 5, allows customization of the threshold voltage for precise timing. The threshold, pin 6, monitors the voltage level to decide when the timer stops. And the discharge, pin 7, manages the capacitor's discharge to adjust timing intervals effectively. Together, these pins enable the 555 timer to function efficiently in various timing and oscillation applications. Now, let's see how this works in action. The LM555 works in two common modes. Monostable mode, this is like a stopwatch. You press a button, and it starts a timer for a specific amount of time before turning off. Astable mode. This mode makes the IC create a continuous signal, like turning a light on and off repeatedly. Let me show you how we can use the 555 timer to make an LED blink. Here's what you need. A 9-volt battery. Two 330 ohm resistors. Two LED, one red and one green. A 555 timer IC. Two 100 kilo ohm resistors. 10 microfarad polarized capacitor. And, of course, a breadboard to assemble everything. Here is the breadboard diagram for blinking LED. The LM555 is used in many everyday things. It's found in alarm clocks to create sound patterns, traffic lights for controlling signals, washing machines to time different cycles, even in toys that make sound or light effects. Great job, everyone! Today you learnt about Timer IC LM555, its pins and how it works. Remember, this little chip is a big part of the electronics world. Maybe one day, you'll use it in your own inventions. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.